Hey, welcome back guys, Mike here, another episode of MRC. Sorry I got a bit of a sinus cold, so bear with me as I talk through this video. Here I got a tool I picked up from banggood.com. This is under $10 for sure. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but there'll be a link in the video notes. What we have here is a butane torch, and the interesting feature about this and why I bought this is because the tip here comes off. You can screw this off, and that's the torch head, and here you can screw on the soldering type soldering head. So you have like a tip. It's a bit of a wedge rounded tip there. We can do this thing heats up to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is super quick, something you can bring to the field, to the track, even just bashing out front of your house or whatever. If you need a quick little soldering job, you know, the battery tab comes off the connector, or something comes off your motor. Just recently I was at the track and I was racing a short course truck, and a guy hooked his bumper into the back riding up my ass in the corner, and when the marshal separated us, his bumper hooked onto one of my motor wires, and my motor wire ripped off. So I was running around the track with 2/3 power because the one of the middle motor wire came off. So anyways, I'm just going to do a quick little demonstration here. So underneath here we have the variable here of the torch size. You have a negative to positive, so obviously you go to positive, it's the bigger flames. So I'm just gonna click it on here, and as you can see here, so I can control the flame. So I got on negative, most negative, and that's the most positive. So really cool little butane torch. I've got this so I can you can light things up if you want and make it interesting, have a cigarette, but for me, quick on the field soldering iron, and it'll heat super fast, no electricity needed. I'm gonna turn it off. It's got a little built-in stand so you don't burn yourself. So, and of course in the end here you have let me see if I can get a good shot of this, is where you refill with the butane, and you can pick those up at the hardware store. So great little tool. I think it's very handy. This is well made. It's well, you know, there's a little bit of plastic, but a lot of aluminum or metal in the chassis and the stem. So looks great. Again, it lights just instantly. Really cool. Something to think about, guys, for your RC needs. All right. Please subscribe to Mike's RC Corner right here by my finger. Please like and subscribe. Love to hear your comments and feedback. Take care, man, and we'll catch you again next time.